Okay, so we have some problem with the previous stream. We are back again. So before the opening, we have idea. We had this idea that price will go to take the previous day high because this was the nearest drawn liquidity, and as we can see, price delivered to the drawn liquidity which we have marked just before the opening. And let's see what how ES is moving. So very aggressive move just on the opening. Okay, here we have this bearish SMT with ES. If you can see, here we have this bearish SMT for now with the NASDAQ, this one. Let's see if we will get a chance on the 1 minute time frame to enter a trade. So actually price is offering a fair value gap here. Let's see if the price will offer a bearish fair value gap here, and we have these two fair value gaps after the opening. This is the 9:30 candle, and this is the first presented fair value gap after the 9:30 open. So this could be very important fair value gap. Let's see if the price will get the support from this fair value gap. Okay, patiently waiting for a good setup. Let's see if the price will inverse this fair value gap, then we will definitely try this one to take entry. But we will not enter without any confirmation. We will wait. This almost inverted this fair value gap here after getting the support from this fair value gap. So this could be the chance. And target should be 2R. Stop loss just below the inversion. Okay, so this could be the idea, like this. Okay, I am entering this trade here on the inversion. And my target will be 2R on this trade. Okay, this is how I will trade this one. The target will be 2 hour. Okay, we are stopped out on this trade. This inversion didn't play it out and my stop loss was very tight on this trade. Okay, okay, I think price will on the 1 minute time frame. Yes, just inverted this fair value gap, and on the I just wanted to give this trade a second chance. Let's see if we can plan a trade here from this high to this one, like this. Okay, ES is moving higher, NASDAQ is also moving higher. They both are in sync. Okay, so our idea is almost invalid now. I will remove this one. Price didn't retrace back into this order block after hitting into this bullish fair value gap, inverted this bearish fair value gap, and we enter on this candle. And my stop loss was very tight on this trade because I wasn't in the favor of risking much today, and this idea got played out, but we didn't enter on this one. So this trade could be managed well if we simply put our stop loss just below this candle low and target 2 hour. So this could be a good trade, but stop loss was very tight on this trade. Okay, good. Very good. But my stop loss was very tight on this trade. Well done, Murtaza. Well done. Look, you did very well on this trade. But my stop loss was very tight on this one. I didn't put my stop loss to just below this candle body. I should have put my stop loss just below this candle low, but it is what it is. We make mistakes, we learn from the mistakes. Okay, so on the hourly time frame, price reached up to into this bearish fair value gap on the hourly time frame. Let's clean all of this mess here and look onto the chart. So on the hourly time frame, yes, you just simply look for your model in the continuation, right? So we were basically looking for the bias after the opening. We can see how price draw towards the previous day high, and on the 1 minute time frame we can see how price offered this bearish fair this inversion. On the 1 minute time frame, the rules will be same. Price should hit a PD array first before creating a model. So let's say if you are trading inversion, then price should hit a PD array or take buy side or sell side liquidity. Here you can see price went back into this bullish fair value gap on the 1 minute time frame, made a new low, just offered this inversion on the 1 minute time frame. Entry was here on this second candle, this one, and your stop loss could be here just below this candle body, and target should be 2 hour like this. But I stopped out on this trade because my stop loss was just below this inversion. Market stopped me out, price stopped me out, and after hitting my stop loss just went back into the same direction which we were expecting that price will move towards the buy side, because ES was also moving towards the buy side. That means both of these pairs are in sync and moving together. So this is the high probability if both are moving together. Malik, I hope you understand this. So the 950 macro will start in 1 minute. Let's see if we will get an opportunity in the 950 macro. We just stopped out on our first trade. So here on the hourly time frame we can see here we have this bearish fair value gap. Price took this high. Now in this 1 hour bearish fair value gap, Okay, let's see if this current 1 hour candle will invert this fair value gap. I think we will get entry after the 10 a.m. Now we should wait for the right move and for the right time. तो अभी वेट करना चाहिए। आफ्टर 10 a.m. देखेंगे कोई अच्छी एंट्री मिलती है। इस कैंडल के क्लोज होने का वेट करते हैं। अभी अभी इस कैंडल के क्लोज होने का वेट करते हैं। आफ्टर 10 a.m. कोई देखते हैं एंट्री अगर कोई हमें अच्छी मिलती है तो। Okay, hourly candle will close in 4 minutes. Price moving back into this bullish fair value gap on the 5-minute time frame. This one. Okay, let's see how 3-minute is looking right now. Okay, on the 1-minute time frame. So we can see how this 5-minute candle just getting the support from this 5-minute bullish fair value gap. If we will move on to the 1-minute time frame, we can see this could be the breaker block area, this one. Let's see how this will play out, because we have a small SMT with ES as well. You can see this one 954, and on the other hand we can see price failed to make a new high on the NASDAQ, and this orange shaded area is 1 hour CP. Still waiting patiently for the next setup. So on the other hand, ES made a new high again. So ES making new highs, and NASDAQ is struggling to make a new high here. Let's see. ES moving higher after taking previous high. NASDAQ struggling to make a new high here, and we have this big fair value gap on the 5 minute time frame. So you can see how volume reduced after the first 15-minute candle. We can see how small the body is on this candle. So that means we can look for the cells, because this previous candle just had this small body. Let's see if we will get a cell setup here. Let's see if this bullish momentum will lose, but we'll wait for the confirmations. So the next draw on liquidity could be here, this one, this high, and here on the ES we can see so Monday 9 a.m. and this is Monday 9 a.m. So we have this SMT with the ES. So if price will take this high, that means if price will take this high on the NASDAQ and will fail to take this high on ES, that means we have bearish SMT with the NASDAQ here. ES is weak, and we can see ES basically didn't reach back into this hourly fair value gap, whereas on the other hand we can see NASDAQ almost inverts this fair value gap on the hourly time frame. ओके, यहाँ हम वेट कर रहे हैं स्टिल। अगर हमें कोई अच्छा सेटअप देखने को मिलता है यहाँ पे, पुलिस साइड पे अगर हम देखें तो इस कैंडल ने इंडिकेट किया है कि जो वॉल्यूम है बुलिश साइड पे वो कम हो रहा है। सो इस पे अगर हम देखें यहाँ पे, ये जो कैंडल थी कंपेयर टू दिस कैंडल, इसमें इसकी बॉडी जो है वो कितनी छोटी है। अभी देखते हैं कि प्राइस ये हाई लेती है या कि इसको लेने में फेल होती है, तो फिर हम ट्राई करेंगे एक सेटअप। सो हेयर वी कैन सी प्राइस फेलिंग दिस इन्वर्जन। तो अगर हम यहाँ से कोई एक रिस्क लें, इस तरह से स्टॉप लॉस यहाँ पे रखें और टारगेट जो है वो हमारा 2R हो, तो कुछ इस तरह से ये लो को टारगेट कर सकते हैं। लेकिन 5 मिनट पे क्या सिनेरियो है, 5 मिनट के ऊपर कैंडल बेरिश क्लोज हो रही है बाय साइड की लिक्विडिटी लेने के बाद। 15 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम के ऊपर जो है वो वॉल्यूम जो है ऑलमोस्ट जो है वो कह सकते हैं कि हम ना होने के बराबर है बुलिश साइड पे। Very aggressive retracement to this inversion. Okay, I am taking the sells on this trade. I am in this trade right now and target will be 2R just here. So my stop loss is same and target is also same here on this low. तो अगर ये करंट 5 मिनट कैंडल बेरिश क्लोज करती है यहाँ पे, तो डेफिनेटली हम एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं कि प्राइस जो है वो सेल साइड की तरफ मूव करेगी। लेकिन अभी वेट करते हैं इस कैंडल के क्लोज होने का। लेट्स सी। We almost hit 1 into 1 hour, so I will move my stop loss to just this high to reduce my risk. I moved my stop loss to this high and taking some partials on this trade. So I took 50% partials on this trade and moved my stop loss lower to this high to reduce my risk. Okay, who took this trade with me on this inversion? Did you take the partials on this trade? So I booked 50% partials after price hit 1 into 1 hour. So price reversed just before almost 3 points from our target, and now I am moving my stop loss to the almost to this high. Okay, my trade is break even now. I am just holding 50%, and we almost at price almost hit our take profit here. Let's see, still holding this and moving my stop loss to the break even here. So our take profit got hit on this trade. जी मुर्तज़ा, आपने भी ये ट्रेड ली थी साथ में ही, इस इन्वर्जन को ट्रेड किया था आपने भी? ओके, वेरी गुड। ओके, यहाँ पे प्राइस कंसोलिडेट कर रही है, लेकिन यहाँ पे स्टिल रूम है कि प्राइस जो है वो सेल साइड की तरफ मूव कर सकती है। लेट्स सी, 5 मिनट के ऊपर स्ट्रक्चर जो है वो देखने को हमें मिल रहा है। यहाँ पे एक बड़ा फेयर वैली गैप है, तो प्राइस ऑलमोस्ट 50% एरिया तक भी आ सकती है इसको फिल करने के लिए। और प्रीवियस 15 मिनट की कैंडल जो है वो बेरिश क्लोज हुई है और उसने इनगल्फ किया है पिछली कैंडल को, जो प्रीवियस 15 मिनट की कैंडल थी। As I mentioned, we still have room for the price to go lower. As we can see, we have this 5 minute fair value gap, this one. So price would go to hit this 50% area of this bullish fair value gap. On the other hand, we can see ES is also making new lows, breaking the structure to the bearish side. Okay, if you have any question, please ask in the chat box. And we are done for the day. We will not take any trade further because my rule is 2 trades per day, and we have already took the 2 trade in this AM session. So if you have any question, you can ask in the chat box. Okay, so Malik is talking about this breaker, this one, this breaker. Okay, as I have mentioned, that we have still plenty of room for the price to go lower, and price is making the reversal here. On the 5 minute time frame, we can see how price is filling this fair value gap. On the 1 minute time frame, this is good. So this is it for today's live stream. I wish you all a good weekend. Yes, Malik, I will explain in the next live stream about the continuation, but the rule will be same. How we are trading the reversal, and we are trading our model in the reversals. We will follow the same rules in the continuation as well. I will explain continuation in the next live stream as well. So see you guys on Monday. I wish you all a happy weekend. Take care, everyone. Bye.